Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make potato and carrot soup. Peel and chop potatoes and carrots into uniform pieces. Start by sautéing onions and garlic in butter until soft and fragrant. Add chopped vegetables, cover with stock, and simmer until tender. Puree until smooth, then season with salt, pepper, and a splash of cream if desired. Serve hot with crusty bread and a sprinkle of fresh parsley. Use a 2:1 ratio of stock to vegetables for a balanced soup. Start by sweating aromatic vegetables, then add diced potatoes and carrots. Simmer gently for 20 to 25 minutes until vegetables are tender. For a silkier texture, blend with an immersion blender or keep it chunky for rustic appeal. Adjust seasoning with salt and pepper and finish with a drizzle of olive oil or a spoonful of yogurt for brightness. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: go darn tough for socks with a lifetime warranty. They stay comfy during long kitchen sessions. I love how they handle spills and hot pans with fewer complaints from my feet. Check the description for the link and other deals. Seriously, thanks everyone for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Leftover soup stores well in the refrigerator for up to 4 days and freezes for up to 3 months. Cool completely before transferring to airtight containers, leaving some headspace for expansion. To reheat, thaw overnight and warm gently on the stove, adding a splash of stock if too thick. Reheat only once for quality, and garnish with fresh herbs, cracked pepper, or a few roasted carrot ribbons before serving today.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.